All right, so in this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can make more money, you can get more views simply using Pinterest. What I primarily use Pinterest for is to drive traffic to my other YouTube and TikTok. Maybe I'll create separate videos for that. But today I want to show you how you can use Pinterest and AI for about 90% of this process so that you can get more views. Now, what I want to show you is statistics about Pinterest. Why Pinterest? Pinterest globally is ranked number 21. Pinterest is a search engine. It is used by billions of people every single month. You can see how it ranks and compares to other platforms. People, when they go to Pinterest, they know the problem, and so they're looking for a solution. Usually people over on Pinterest, they have a higher household income, and so they know the problem, they're looking for a solution, and they're ready to spend money. They have their wallets or their purses out. And you can see a lot of people are being discovered organic. And that's the other beautiful thing with Pinterest is that Pinterest pins can rank on Google. And so if you get to show up on Google, you get to use the power of Pinterest to rank on Google, and you can drive traffic to whatever, a YouTube video, TikTok, a blog post, whatever it might be. Now, before we get going, I want to just make sure that I reiterate and emphasize that you can do this for affiliate marketing. However, you have to do it the right way. So these are Pinterest pins that I created last night with the help of AI. Okay. One of the mistakes that people make is that they will, and I want to make sure that I cover this, is that they will create Pinterest pins and they will link directly to an affiliate offer. That's wrong. That'll get your account banned. What you need to do, and I'll show you this process step by step, is you need to be linking to a blog post, a YouTube video, or a landing page, right? There's got to be some sort of buffer there because Pinterest hates affiliate marketers because a lot of people will spam. Anyway, we're going to use AI tools. Most of them are going to be free or really low cost in order to get this done. So what I've done, the first thing is up here, I took a screenshot of a Pinterest pin that I liked. So what you want to do first is go to Pinterest and type in your niche. So we could take, let's do like, let's do fall fashion, if I spelled that correctly. And so make sure you change that to all pins and then just scroll through. Okay, I've got all men's fashion. That's fine. Scroll through and find one or two that you like, right? So if you find one that you like, let's say cozy fall essentials, take a screenshot of it, right? And then you're going to enter in this prompt. Okay. Comment prompt down below if you want this prompt. Okay. This is the top prompt right here. And then make sure that you embed. This is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is free. You can embed the screenshot that you've taken. Now, with this prompt, it gave me 10 different image ideas. Okay. So you can take these one by one and put them into the next platform that we're going to use. It has a free trial. It's like $15 per month, right? Find one of these that you like. And then tell ChatGPT, I like number whatever. I want you to make more like it. Okay, so give it a little bit of direction with AI. If you give it bad information, it's going to give you bad output. So just play with it just a little bit to tell it exactly what you want. So for example, I said these prompts are a good start, but I want something other than flowers that will be relevant to the YouTube video. Okay, and so it comes up with more ideas. Then you're going to plug in these different prompts into this next AI platform that I'll cover in just a second. But then you can see I actually added, this is better, but at the bottom of the screen, I want to add platformproof.com. It gives me new prompts. Great. So play with it, go back and forth with a little bit, and then settle on an idea. So look what I did here. I said, I like this version best. This is the version that ChatGPT came up with. I like this version best. So I copied the prompt that I liked, pasted down here, and a screenshot so that it knows exactly what it's looking for. And then I said, give me a prompt based on this. And so now it's given me 10 detailed prompts that I can use. I can copy these one by one, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing here with a video that I just uploaded. I literally just uploaded this video 5 seconds ago, right? So what I do next is I'm going to copy the title here. I'm going to scroll all the way down so you can see here. This is a title and then the description. If I just keep scrolling all the way down just like this, I'm going to type in title like this, and you're actually getting to see me work behind the screens. Description like this. Come back up here, and I'm just going to copy this description. Now I got this description. I made it with ChatGPT in my last video. In fact, with this video that hopefully you're watching right now, because I just uploaded this within the last 5 minutes, right? So I'm going to paste this in like this, hit enter, and it's going to give me 10 different prompts. I'm going to take these prompts and then I'm going to copy them and put them into the next thing here. So for example, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go over to Leonardo AI. Now, Leonardo AI, and I just want to show you this. If I go click on upgrade, I'm on the apprentice level. If I click on upgrade, maybe I got to refresh here. Let me refresh. Hopefully it works here. So if I click on upgrade, you can see it has a free level. And with the free level, 150 fast tokens, that's going to give you about each one of the credits for the prompt that we're going to use is about 17. So it's going to give you 9 or 10 per day, which is a good start. You can see I'm on the apprentice plan for $12 a month. You can go to these other ones if you want. But the free is good to start. What we're doing and what I want to show you is everything that we're using right now is free. You can always upgrade and improve over time as you start making money. But as you can see, we're here in Leonardo AI. I'm simply going to click on image, and then I'm going to go over to Ideagram 3.0. You can see it is for one image, it was 17, but now it's 35. So it's 70. Actually, I'm going to change that to a 2x3 so it looks good on Pinterest. And you can even use these for Instagram as well. But what I do is I simply will copy this, paste it in. It's 70 credits. I've got 2 images. It's going to show up 2x3, which is what you want for Pinterest. And I'm going to click generate. And I'm simply going to do this. I'm going to do this 5 or 6 times. Okay. And it takes probably about 15 seconds to get an image. And once we get the image, I'm going to download it to my computer. You can see I like the way this looks, right? I'm just going to download this, go back over here, and I'm going to do it again. Copy this. And like I said, you guys are seeing exactly behind the scenes of what I'm doing. But there's one more software that is going to help us with this process, and it's going to make our life much easier. I can, using this exact method, I've been able to create hundreds of Pinterest pins. And what's really cool about this is the next software that we're going to use allows me to upload pins weekly. Okay, so with Pinterest, what's really cool about Pinterest is you want to upload a bunch of pins. And, you know, these Pinterest pins have a longer shelf life. They can help you get discovered all over. And I'm going to show you that process in just a moment. But everything that I'm using is AI. I have very little to do with this. But again, I like this. I like the way that this looks. I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to paste this in a couple more times. And, you know, this is mostly hands off. I'm just pressing a couple buttons and downloading. And I'll show you the rest of the process in just a moment. But, you know, this is going to help me get more views and more subscribers and fill my funnels and potentially make more money. So if you are just getting started, actually, I had spoken with someone yesterday on my live. His name is Joshua. If you're just getting started, focus on one platform at a time. So let's say you're starting your YouTube channel and, you know, you're brand new with content creation. Focus on YouTube for the first 30 days or 60 days or even 90 days. And then start adding in additional social media platforms. So do YouTube for 90 days and then add in Pinterest. I really like the look of this pin and hopefully it'll get me a few more views. So what do we have right now? So far we have, let me just go up. You can see I just did these like this. Let me delete these, move the trash. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to do one more. And again, I'm just literally just copying and pasting these right into AI, right into Leonardo AI. It's coming up with pins. The text looks good. The images are good. The person doesn't have 15 hands or whatever. You can see the secret behind every viral thumbnail I create. And again, if you want the exact prompts that I'm doing, comment prompts down below and I'll give them to you so that it'll save you time. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to open up these. These are going to give me 12 images. Once these 12 images open, I'm going to use this one other platform that will help to automate this process. So let's just take a couple minutes because I'm trying to open up 12 zip files at one time. But as soon as this is done, we can move on to the next step. And what's really cool about this is you could actually offer this as a service too. So you could reach out to people, YouTubers, and say, hey, look, your content's great. I want to help you get more views so that you can make more money, right? Always talk about the benefits. Don't just talk about the features, talk about the benefits, and then use this as a service to get paid every single month. They don't, the YouTuber doesn't care how the sausage is made. They just want the results, which is more views. And so you can take this, turn this into a business, a service, and potentially make money, right? How cool is that? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5. We're waiting on one more, and 6. Awesome. So what I've got to do now is I'm going to combine these. First, I'm going to delete these. Now I'm going to combine them into one folder, which will make this next step even easier, right? So it's taking me just a second here to combine them like this, and now I should have 12. Perfect, I've got 12. So now let's move on to this other AI software that I'm using. Now this software has a free level and a paid level, right? So what I'm gonna do, this is called Tailwind. I'll put a link in the description. It is an affiliate link, but I think you should use it if you're going to take advantage of Pinterest. So I'm going to click on Upload Pins. I'm going to go over to my folder, and I'm going to find it. Where is it at? And I'm going to highlight all of these, click Open. I'm going to click on Select Bulk Editing, Create Pins. We're going to edit all 12 pins at one time. What's really cool about this is down here at the bottom, and this is relatively new. Why does it say 22 pins selected? Let me see something. Why does it say 22 pins selected? That's not right. Anyway, let's click on bulk edit. All right. So I'm going to go grab my link for my YouTube video. I'm going to come back over to Tailwind. I'm going to paste this in. I'm going to add the boards. Now, what's really cool about this is Tailwind is going to upload each pin to these 10 different boards once a week. So this allows me to have my pins be seen by more people at more times, at different times, in order to potentially help me get more views. Now I'm going to click on Ghostwriter. And here I'm going to say information. And then I'm just going to add in a title. So I'm going to grab my title from YouTube. And I'm going to go back over to Tailwind, paste it in, click on Generate Pin Details. And then after about 20 or 30 seconds, it is going to give me more options, right? And so, once again, okay, saving details will overwrite. So we're going to click on Save Details. I'm going to click on Apply Changes. And hopefully, Apply Changes. Why is this not working? Okay. What is happening here? All right, so what's supposed to happen is the changes, the pin title, the pin description, all of this stuff is supposed to be implemented into my thumbnails. Now, of course, this isn't working properly when you do it live, but let's try it one more time. Bulk edit. We're going to go up here. We're going to grab it. I mean, you could also do this manually for each one, but that is no fun. So we're going to click on informational content, grab the title once again, put the title here, click on generate pin details, and hopefully this time it works. Save details. Okay. Apply changes. Oh, I don't like what's going on here. You know what? Maybe I'm going to refresh this. Maybe that's what we need. All right. So now we've got 10 pins selected. Let's select all. Okay, great. Now we've got our 12. We're going to go bulk edit. This time it's going to work. Now we're going to go, once again, we're going to add it to our boards. We're going to click on Ghostwriter, information. We're going to grab this title once again, and I'm going to click on that, generate details. And what's really cool, I don't know if you can see this, but you have AI credits. I have 250 AI credits I can spend per month. Save details, apply changes. Come on, it's going to work this time. Okay, so look, great. Now, I simply just can click schedule here, and it's going to schedule these individual pins. Or I can click schedule here, and it's going to automatically fill all of my pins right here. So I'm just going to click schedule right here, just like that. And you're going to see that it's going to go through and schedule all of my pins for me so that I don't have to do it. So we're just going to wait probably another 30 seconds and do this. Now, what's really cool is you can actually do this as a complete service for somebody. You could say, hey, let me manage your Pinterest. I'm going to do all of the Pinterest pins. I'm going to do everything. But let's look over here. So this is a pin that we just created. It is going to upload once a week. So today is Thursday. If we scroll all the way down, it is going to do another Thursday one. If we scroll all the way down, it keeps doing these Thursday ones. But what's really cool is, I don't know if I can show you, but those other pins, the other 12 ones, are going to be uploaded at different intervals. Let's see if we can see this. Shuffle your pins, pin spacing. It's going to be uploaded in different intervals and times. So what that means, and what I'm trying to say, is that these other pins can help you get traffic because they're not all going to be uploaded at one time. 3 months from now, you might get a boost in traffic to one of your YouTube videos or blog posts because a pin went live that is sending traffic to your old content. But you can see here, I need to go back and continue this, but you should be uploading at least 5 pins per day. But there's enough spaces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So, you could upload 20 pins per day, and this actually works out very well to get you more views. All right. Comment down below what you guys think about this idea. I know some people aren't going to be happy that I'm using AI for this. In fact, one of the last times I made a video like this, someone said, "This is why Pinterest sucks now." It's like people have been using AI for years. It's now it's available to the regular consumers, and people are upset about it. But anyway, comment down below what you think. Comment, I'm not sure how long this video is going to be. It's probably about 17 minutes. Comment 17-minute club if you are still watching at the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.